Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be telling you everything there is to know about the Espire range from ESP. We've not completely changed our colours. We've still got the black and red, but in today's video, we're going to be going for this nice mint green. Mint green. So you're probably wondering what all the products are in front of us. In today's video, we're going to be showing you exactly all of the range from Espire. So the Espire range then, Tim, what are we looking to cover with all of these great colours that we can see in front of us here?
All things necessary, Jake, for a domestic fire alarm system. So that's going to cover smoke alarms, heat alarms and CO alarms.
Okay, so if we start to have a bit of a close-up look at these independently. So here we can see that we've got 6 different colours. 5 of those colours are to do with either the smoke, heat or CO. And then the black versions here with the labels across the top are for your accessories. So whether that's an RF controller, whether that's a relay base, etc. We can see that we've got all of those in front of us. Now we've got the heat alarm in front of us.
Yep.
So that's going to be a nice purple colour. You've got carbon monoxide and heat alarm, which is going to be very similar to the colour of the t-shirts. Yep. And on your side?
We've got a smoke and heat alarm in the red. We've got a carbon monoxide only in the yellow here. And we have purely a smoke alarm in the grey.
Okay, so that's just a very quick overview of the Espire range. In the next video, we're going to be talking about gradings and categories of systems. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on the next one.